Got the Blabbered solar phone charger from Amazon. I think it was around $30. We're going to test this out and see how good it works. Okay, let's see what this thing looks like. Got a welcome guide, directions. It's like you got cable, USB to USB-C, and a compass. Okay, here's our solar phone charger. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, I got the green one. I think it was on sale. And here's what it looks like. It looks like it has a charge already. Got our solar panel. Here we got the Type-C in under here. It's supposed to be somewhat water resistant. There we got USB-C in, USB in the middle. We got the old mini USB on the right. I think that's for charging, yeah. Okay. We got the nice cushions on the sides, and we got a double flashlight. So I don't know how this works yet. I'll have to read the instructions and check it out. Probably can't read this on my old phone, but here's the instructions. Got a few more things I've been working on. Survival / prepper / everyday carry camping type kit backpack, and I just bought these jar openers. These were supposed to be good just because I needed some for the house, but I think I'll throw one of those in there. And I got some G2 mini pens, which are smaller than regular pens. I don't know if I have one with me to show you. Nope, fell apart. Okay. And I bought this box of mini compasses. I don't know if these are good or not. Oh, there we go. Okay. And I guess these can attach to your watch if you want. So they look like they're all pointing in about the same direction, so that's nice. I like these pens, but these gel pens kind of smear. I got the Right in the Rain pads. I need to get some Right in the Rain pens, but for now these were a good deal, so I'll stick with this for now. Alright, that's just part of my stuff. I'll show more later. Okay, here we have a few of my prepper things and everyday carry. Everyday carry is hand sanitizer for my pocket, my Power Deluxe multi-tool, my emergency, which I like orange, but all I have lately is raspberry, and I have an energy drink made by Great Value, which is peach mango. I mix that with emergency, otherwise the emergency tastes terrible. It's just ground up vitamins. I have my Atomic Bear pen, which is a combo glass breaker flashlight Oh. And there's a pen inside, screwdriver, and a couple, I think, a bottle opener. And here we have our mini compasses, some human intentions, rubber jar openers, and my mini GT mini pens. The GT pen I had broke in my pocket and I lost part of it, but you could see the size difference, I think. So that's just a few of the things that I carry or have in my emergency prepper or bug out bag backpack. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll show more soon. Here's my Atomic Bear pen taken apart. Here's the pen. Here's the multi-tool. Looks like we have a bottle opener, some kind of wrench, screwdriver tip, and a saw blade. I don't know what you could cut with that saw blade, but I don't know if you can see it. And this part turns around, and on the other side you have the glass breaker, the window breaker, in case you need to get out of your car and break the window. And there's a flashlight. You have to screw it on. It's got the two modes. Only problem is when you take this part out, you can't screw it on here. You need to fix that, so you just have to hold this or put it in your pocket, or you can use a flashlight, I guess, as you write. I have to say about these pens with the glass breaker, whenever you have a glass breaker, you also need to include a seatbelt cutter, and they could have sharpened the inside of this bottle opener and made a seatbelt cutter out of it, or I could do that. I don't know if it would work though, but you know, it's just an idea. Okay, here's one of the compasses mounted on my wristband. You're supposed to keep it away from interference for it to work correctly. Okay, here's my bug out bag. I'm in the process of filling it with the 10 C's. If you don't know what the 10 C's are, look it up. And there's plenty of prepper people and camping people out there that can tell you what you need. It's nice to have a bag like this in an emergency. It's a fire, earthquake, flood, whatever. You need to grab a bag and go to a shelter, or keep one of these in your car. It has, you know, food, first aid, all kinds of things in it. You got my single walled water bottle that you can boil water in. So you can't do that in the insulated bottles unless you drill a hole in the outer part of the bottle. So let me know if you want to see what's in my bug out bag so far. It's not complete. Alright, thanks for watching.